Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making garlic, turmeric and black pepper tea. This tea is to help soothe cold and flu as it's getting colder and people are getting more cold and flu. Firstly, I'll mix all my ingredients into this one big bowl. Goes in the black pepper, which that is the ingredient that helps with cold. And the turmeric and garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of organic honey. I will now add in our lovely paste. We are now come to the end of the video. Kindly like, share, comment and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.